Anybody know how to express scientific notation on your calculator? Caroline? Okay, so on some calculators it's E. On the TI 89s it's this double E button right here, third from the bottom left. Okay, and so if you wanted to express 7 times 10 to the 4th, your entry would simply be 7.0 if you want to include the 0. Hit the EE button and then 4. Don't put 10, and the 10 is already implied using the EE button. Okay, and then you can take this whole thing and square it. So here is the entry that you would use on your calculators. So in parentheses 7.0, this EE button, and again you see the display is just the one E, and that's representing the scientific notation of times 10 to the power of whatever number you write next, so 4. And then the whole thing to the second power, and you hit enter. And now here it gives you decimal form. What if we wanted our answer to be in scientific notation? Anybody know how to change the format of your calculator? Automatically scientific? Okay. So if you go to the mode, and if you scroll down to where it says exponential format, it should say normal if you change it to scientific, and you repeat this, it'll give you the answer in scientific notation. And now all you'd have to do here is convert 4.9 E9. Don't enter that, but that's equivalent to 4.9 times 10 to the power of 9. And so that's what you would rewrite. Now if you leave your calculator in this form, or you convert or change it as you go through problems, you can take a problem like this here, the ones where it asks you to write the scientific notation form, and you could just enter that number. So if we enter 26,640, enter. Oops, let's see if this one does. 0.029, hit enter. And it'll give you the scientific notation of the decimal form. And let's go back and see if we say 26640 with a decimal, hit enter, it'll give you the scientific notation form. Again, you do have to put it into decimal form by either entering a decimal or using the green diamond key if you are going to express it in scientific notation. When you're done with this, or if you don't want this to be your display, what you would need to do is go back to mode and change that exponential format to normal, and you would get your regular format for your answers. Okay, I want you to try the following calculation really quickly, please. And I want you to express your answer in scientific notation. Answer. Do you have? Okay, just a second. All right, Caroline, what'd you get for your answer?
I got 1.27 times
10 to the third. Okay, let's double check this. So here if we enter, we get 2.3 times 10 to the negative 1, all times the quantity 5.5 times 10 to the third. Enter 1265. Okay, so in scientific notation, if I had my mode set to scientific notation mode, and I hit enter, 1.265 times 10 to the third. Now, did anybody else get 1.27? Okay, because you didn't round yourself, did you? Is that what the display showed for you?
That's just showed because that's the way I have it set, but also if you're looking at it like physics.
Significant digits, yeah. So, I mean, as far as the reason it came up as 1.27, and if yours did, let me know, because you can set your calculator to show significant digits as well. Okay? And so for the purpose of this class, you don't need to. In this class, we're not doing significant digits, so I would want to see this as the complete answer for that. And so if you are getting something